In this video, I'll show you how to insert a PDF file into Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, there are a few different ways to do this, depending on what you want. You can insert a PDF as an object, so it appears inside your Word document, or you can insert a PDF as an icon, so people can click it and open the file, or you can open a PDF in Word and convert it to editable text. The first method is inserting the PDF as an object. So first, just click anywhere on your document where you want the object to go, then click Insert at the top of the ribbon, then select Object. It's above the text group. Select it once. In the new window, select Create from File, and here we're going to actually locate where your PDF file is. Click Browse, navigate to where your PDF file is, select it once, then click Insert. From here, we have three options. The first option is simply leaving both of these unticked. When you do this, the PDF is just embedded and stored into your Word document. It'll look something like this. You can clearly see that it's a PDF. If you were to select Display as an icon, you're just given the option to change the actual icon of the PDF. So if you select Change Icon, you can use some of the default ones or select another one. I don't advise using Display as an icon. If you just want the PDF like you saw before, just leave it unticked. If you want your file to link to the original PDF, then select Link to File. However, if you then move this file somewhere else or send it to a colleague or friend, it might break the link between the original document. I would always advise simply leaving both unticked and clicking OK. Simply put, if you leave both boxes unticked, Word embeds the PDF, but it may still appear as a PDF object, but don't worry, it's now directly inserted in your Word document. From here, you can open up the PDF. Simply double-click it and this new window will appear, then select Open. It will then open based on what program you've set to open PDFs. So for me, it will open in Microsoft Edge. If you want to rename the PDF or look at the properties of the file, you can do this by right-clicking, going to Object. Activate Content simply means double-click. Rename is, of course, renaming the PDF. And you've got Properties as well. When you select this, this window will appear. For the second method, we're going to try and convert the PDF into an editable Word text. To do this, open up Microsoft Word, go to File, and then go to Open. From here, locate where your PDF file is. Click Browse and then identify where the location of your file is and click Open. This new window will appear. Don't worry, simply click OK. And then it may open up a new Word window, that's fine. And then simply click Enable Editing at the top of the document. And then select OK. In 80% of cases, this method will work fine. However, if your PDF has been scanned in or has been digitally flattened, it may not work, especially if it's got lots of elements and objects such as pictures and graphs and graphics. They may appear as one big group instead of individual objects. If one of these methods helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn other Word tips, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.